Happy April.
Happy April.
Are you having fun yet?
Yeah, I'm having a blast. Oh, it's kind of cold here.
It is a little chilly, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. See a little blue sky, but...
So here is an update on Sweet Travels. Things have changed, as things have changed for everybody out there.
Yes.
I mean, we know that everybody's affected, and we are too, and we were bound and determined that we weren't going to talk about this.
I know, because everybody talks about it, and I don't know about you, and I know it's important, but I'm getting tired of it.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. It's our new world right now, and
I don't like this world.
I don't either. No, I don't either.
So, we hope you all are doing fine. And by the way, thank you guys so much for your well wishes and your questions on how we're doing. We get a number of emails and a number of personal messages and comments on our videos asking how we're doing and how we're getting along. And we're getting along okay. Yeah, just like everybody. I think we get a little stir crazy sometimes, but yeah,
that's the way it is. So
just an update. We ended up, thank God, we ended up in a Thousand Trails Park in North Texas.
That's right.
And our membership allows us to stay here up to 21 days at no cost. Originally, we were going to stay a week. We extended it. They allowed us to extend it to our full 21 days.
Yes.
And so here we are. So a little bit about what we've been doing. We stayed a week, and we had an appointment at Rolling Retreats to get our maintenance done on our coach. So we went up and we saw Slade and Alicia at Rolling Retreats in Elk City, Oklahoma. And it was a quick up and back.
It was. Too quick.
Yeah.
We love them, so we like hanging out with them.
Yeah.
But
we were able to drive up in a day, spend the night. Slade took the coach in and took care of our maintenance issues and our repair issues while we were there. Nothing major, but it had to be done.
Yeah.
And if you don't know, Slade is a really sought after person, and to try to get an appointment with him for maintenance, it's a shot in the dark a lot of times.
Right.
He's months and months and months out usually.
he's a busy man.
He is, but he's really good at what he does, and we trust him with our coach.
Absolutely.
So we went up, we took care of the maintenance that we needed to do. We got a chance to get together with Alicia and talk to her about a DRV. We actually sat down, I don't know, am I letting the cat out of the bag here? But we actually sat down and we started a build sheet on their new floor plan, the MX 450.
And we were 6 feet apart.
We were 6 feet apart. We stayed our social distance.
Yes.
But it went very well.
It did.
So she took our information. She's going to present it to DRV and see what we come up with finance-wise on our build. We had a long list wish. We've been in a DRV now for 2.5 years, and we kind of know what we want.
Exactly.
And so we went through the list with her and said, this is what we want, this is what we don't want, this is what we want to change. And go ahead.
She has just so many different ideas that I would never even have thought of. So she really makes our space usable, which is really nice.
Yeah, she's been dealing with DRV. I don't remember how long she's been with them.
Gosh, I want to say at least 10 years.
Yeah, a long time.
Yeah.
And she knows these coaches. She knows what she can get done through the factory. She knows what Slade can do on his own. And so we sat down with her and said, this is our floor plan, this is our wishes.
Yeah.
You know, what do you suggest? It's not a true custom RV. It's not like it's built from the ground up on our specs.
No, but she has custom things that she does to it to help you with your storage and just the use of your RV.
Yeah. So we sat down with her and gave her our wish list, and she suggested a couple of things for us that we hadn't even thought of. And so we're kind of excited to see how this all shakes out. So that's the process that we've started. The Lux, because Indiana is shut down. If you didn't know, Indiana is shut down, and so that's why our plans are changing, guys. That was our journey. We were going to go to rolling retreats, and then we were going to go up further into Kansas and see another manufacturer. Then we were going to go over to Elkhart, and we were going to tour the DRV factory. We were going to see Deb at Lux and see what she could do for us and see what they had to offer. But Indiana is shut down. They shut down the plants. And so here we are.
Yeah.
We're back. We decided to come back to Texas.
Our oldest daughter lives here and her family, and they were in the process of moving out of their house because they sold it. And then unfortunately, because of the COVID-19, the buyers backed out.
Yep.
So they kind of went on a hold on that, but we've been helping them move out of their house and putting everything in storage or in their trailer, because they're going to live in their trailer while they build. And so anyways, it was a good thing that we were here to help them through that.
Yeah. So they've decided to not move their stuff out of storage back into the house since the sale fell through. They're going to put it back on the market when this whole thing
subsides.
Yeah.
Hopefully soon.
When we get back to normal, I guess.
Yeah.
So we're helping them, giving them a little bit of support, and but anyway, we came back to Texas. Thousand Trails allowed us to extend our reservation here into April. I've heard through the grapevine that Thousand Trail is allowing stays beyond the membership limits. Hopefully we won't have to do that, but when that time comes, we'll see.
Yeah.
Because we're hearing through the grapevine that there are a lot of parks that are being shut down, and the owners, private park owners, are being told not to let anybody new in.
Yeah.
So it's a shelter in place, so here we are. We're sheltering, we're in place.
We're safe.
We're safe, we're staying clean. We went to, we went grocery shopping when we came back into Fort Worth. We went to Costco. You know, Costco is one of our favorite places.
Yes.
Costco's got it figured out.
Oh my gosh. I just wish the other grocery stores would figure it out too.
Yeah.
Because I felt like I was going into a infested. I couldn't find wipes. I kind of freaked out at Walmart. Come on, Walmart, get your act together.
Yeah.
They didn't have any wipes. And so I asked
for the basket, for the
basket carts to wipe it down.
Yeah.
And so I had to ask a kid that was over in the self-checkout area, and I said, "Where's your wipes?" He goes, "Oh, I think we have some spray somewhere." I'm like, "Oh Lord."
Yeah.
Yeah. And anyway, he sprayed my. Of course, I should have sprayed it myself. But anyway.
Yeah, he got it wiped down for you. And
yeah.
And then as we went through Walmart, people were not. They weren't the 6 feet
social
apart.
distancing.
So we had to walk around people.
That was, I would try not to get upset because, you know, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so we had to do the loop-de-loo and ripped around there.
But Costco's got it figured out. I even got gas at Costco. And as soon as you get done pumping gas at Costco and hang up the pump and start to drive away, there is an associate there with a spray bottle of disinfectant. They're spraying down the front keys where you checked your card in. They're spraying down the handle where you pumped your gas. I mean, they're cleaning everything up after each and every fill-up.
Yeah, yeah.
And then they had 6-foot lines at the checkout register inside the store, so you know you couldn't go to the next line until that person moved forward to the. They've got it figured out.
Oh, they have it down pat. I love Costco.
Yeah,
you're awesome.
So anyway, as much as we hate to advertise this mess, this is the new normal. This is where we're at. So our plans have changed a little bit. We are here in Texas for the unforeseeable future.
Good job, honey.
Yeah. We're waiting this out, just like you guys are.
Yeah.
We're just gonna hang out and see what happens. Our goal is that once this thing subsides and everybody gets the okay to kind of go back to semi-normal, we're gonna start heading north and continue on our trip.
That's right.
It's just a bump in the road.
It is, and we can get through this.
Yep.
We can. God has us protected.
Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, anyway, what else we got to share? Anything? I mean, we could be in a lot worse places, guys. I mean, this place is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. We only have 30 amp though.
Yeah.
That's the only downfall. Oh, we don't have sewer.
This
Exactly.
park is very well maintained. We're not real crazy about their bathrooms or their showers, and they don't have a sewer hookup, so
Yeah.
we're stuck. We have not had the pump truck come and pump us out yet, but that is a service that they will provide at an additional cost.
And it's only $10, so
Yeah.
that's a good price.
Yeah, rather than to hook up and go drag it to the dump station.
And move all of our stuff because
Yeah.
we
Yeah. So we're here, and we're hoping that all of you are still safe and sound
Yes.
and healthy and abiding by our leaders'
Yeah.
requests.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean,
And we
that's-
pray for each and every one of you guys. So
Yes.
know that.
Our plans really haven't changed. Once you become a full-timer, you're told, and it is true, your plans need to be set in jello.
That's right. You just don't know what's going to happen one day. The next, especially now, we just
Yeah.
don't know. So
Be flexible.
be flexible, love your people, embrace everybody, be kind,
Yep.
and help and serve others.
We'll all get through
in this
this.
time. Absolutely.
Our world's kind of turned upside down, but that's okay.
Yeah, we have each other.
Yep. So we're going to move forward. We'll give you an update at a later date. We are going to share, we got enough requests, we are going to share those other 2 floor plans from Lux. They were really nice coaches, guys, and we'll share them.
Yeah.
We'll let you know what we find out. So we're going to self-quarantine still.
Sure. We have groceries
Keep
now,
our
so
social
we're good.
distancing. We got a few things to work on the computer, and
Yeah.
maybe write a blog post or 2, and
Yeah.
we'll see what happens.
Clean out the fifth wheel.
Yeah. All right, so that's a wrap on what we're doing, what we got coming up. Look forward to some more Lux video tours of
Yeah.
some of their coaches. They're really nice coaches. And
We are.
so from Texas,
It all starts with an idea.
okay, talk to you soon, guys. Stay safe, be happy. Love you.
Love you.